Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Well, happy Friday to y'all. It is September 18th, and it is the day after Judgment Day. So we don't got a lot on the economic calendar today. We got the leading indicators for the month of August. So the July reading actually was revised. It was negative zero point 0.2, and then it got revised to 0. Leading indicators went up a little bit to 0.1, so a little better news than we anticipated as July was revised to better numbers, and then August came up slightly up to 0.1%. So that's a little bit more positive. It kind of gives an idea as to what's going to happen in the near future for where the economy is moving and stuff. Now the stock market's down today, and right now we're going kind of going through the after effects of the FOMC announcement yesterday. Stock market Dow is down about 200 so far. It was up slightly after the announcement, and then it basically closed downwards at about, I think the Dow closed at like minus 65 yesterday. Now here's basically what a recap of what happened yesterday. If you didn't get a chance to see the update I posted yesterday, the Fed left rates unchanged. They basically were concerned, like what I've been saying all along, basically that inflation's too low right now. They want to keep an eye on it. They do think it's transitory with the food and energy, where things are at with the food and energy, but they also are concerned where the global economy is moving, where the economy, on a global level, where the economies are at. So they're concerned about how that could potentially, if they raise rates, how that could potentially bring us down a little bit. So they decided to hold off on it. They did leave on the table that it could still be raised this year, but for now they want to wait and see as more data is collected over the next couple months by the end of the year if it might be feasible to go ahead and do it. But unless something happens quickly, it may not happen until maybe next year with things kicking in. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So right now, of course, with that announcement, let me also state that right now the markets are a little concerned on the global level. Now their attention is, since the Fed put on there, we got potentially deflationary issues, and we also have a possible recession on a global level here. So now they're kind of worried about that, and that's one reason why the stock market's kind of going the opposite direction today. Bond market is helping us out. We're up about 13 basis points from where we left off. So as you can see, we had the little wick here, and we stopped here, so now we're up here. Now we are testing this 200-day moving average, which is, as you can see, has been a tough resistance here. We've only gotten past it once, and it didn't stay long. So this is a strong resistance here, and that was that weird day where I think we had like 1100, where the Dow was dropped like 1100 points and stuff like that one day, and that's the reason why we jumped up so quickly for one day. But overall, it's been a pretty tough resistance for us. So I would very much encourage you to be very cautious in this range, because we could obviously drop down further, since we've been kind of trading in this range a little bit. Now we've been traveling between the 25-day moving average, which is the green here. As you can see, it kind of went down slightly as we kind of went down here, went down a little bit, and now we're kind of working our way up. Where before it was on a pace to keep going up, and we would have been kind of trapped to make one decision or another. So, and we did go down a little bit, so kind of zigzag to follow the 25-day moving average. All right, folks, be cautious if you're floating any interest rates today. If you're looking long term, you can, I would say, float, but if you're looking for short term, be very cautious and maybe want to press the trigger just in case if it does get pushed down lower. So as you can see, we've touched it and we did get pushed down lower, so it's possible we could come down a little bit more, but it's hard to determine. All right, folks, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday. Take care.